Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn ghost notes drums, easy method. Begin by sitting at the kit and playing a basic groove slowly at a comfortable tempo, leaving space for soft, subtle taps on the snare. Count aloud or use a click to place the ghost notes between primary strokes. Focus on consistent dynamics and timing, recording short loops to track subtle improvements over minutes of focused practice. Work on hand technique by practicing slow rudiments with a deliberate ghost stroke every other beat, focusing on even timing and softer dynamics. Try playing quarter notes on the hi-hat while placing ghost notes on the snare at eighth note offbeats. Use a metronome and gradually increase speed only when softness and timing remain consistent. Short, focused sessions yield better control than marathon, unfocused practice blocks. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical drum lessons. On another note, a standout book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers a refreshingly simple look at money and mindset, which pairs nicely with disciplined practice habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Build a routine of 3 focused exercises: slow groove with ghost notes on offbeats, dynamic control drills alternating loud and soft strokes, and short fills that integrate ghost notes. Practice each exercise for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping attention on even timing and consistent softness. Reset the metronome slightly faster once you can play cleanly, and celebrate small wins to maintain motivation and steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.